Welcome back, peeps. Check it out. We got a whole bunch of cars to show you today, so we'll start with this 2014 Honda Accord Sport. I drove it home last night, folks, and I got to tell you, it's absolutely perfect in every way. Non-smoker, one owner, over 30 dealer service records, bought at a Honda dealer, serviced there and traded into the same Honda dealer on a brand spanking new one. The Sport gives you the big wheels, gives you the rear wing, dual exhaust. It is a 4-cylinder, automatic trans, backup camera, premium sound system, digital dual zone climate, power driver seat, streaming audio, auxiliary line in, USB, hands-free Bluetooth calling, Eco Drive. Not a mark on this car, folks. One owner. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this Honda. Like new tires, fresh brakes, fresh oil, all serviced and safety, folks. This was on the front line of a Honda dealer. We got it right from them as an aged unit. This is the right one. This is the place. And the down payment on this vehicle is $795 starting down payment. Let's do another gander on this one. Check it out, folks. $795 starting down. Get in it and go. Couple paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, 1 hour of your time, and you roll on out in this 14 Sport Accord at $795 starting down. DasCleveland.com. Easy online application. We're COVID free, COVID safe. Come on down.